Oh, hello. This is the door lock, GM door lock from Opel Vectra BF. The door I was unable to open the door from inside or outside. So to fix that, you have to drill a hole here, just on top of the white box, this white box, and then grab those levers and push them that way, and the door will open. And still the lock was not working. To fix that, you need to drill a hole here, and there's a big white gear wheel inside. So you cannot really see it, and you need to move that one all the way down there, and then everything will work fine in the lock. I see it online in very many places. Everybody is throwing these locks. Everybody's buying a new one. Nobody knows how to repair it, it seems. So maybe you don't want to hit it's a bit hard to do the hole without hitting the gears when the drill enters. I went in here first and hit those metal gears from the motors, but very little damage. So maybe you should go in here first. Yeah. Anyway, that's about it. I can show you how to test the lock. Door is locked. Opening from inside not possible because the lock button is down. Lock button is up. Opening from the inside. First lock, second lock. Opening from the outside. Door is open. Lock. Second lock. Doorknob is down to lock the door. Unable to open from the outside. Still locked. Unable to open from the inside. Still locked. So that's about it. It took me 2-3 days to discover this, and I hope everybody will spread the news how to fix those locks. No need to buy a new one, but maybe the electrical function will not be working, but I was not really using that for many years now, so it does not matter for me. Just as long as it's an old car, I just wanted to pass inspection. And thank you, goodbye.